Ah, boys, we finally did it. 2020 has finally passed and we can move on. Obviously it's been a hard and weird year for every one of us. We have a little bit of this virus situation happening right now, but I'm sure eventually we're gonna get over it and everything is gonna return to its original pace. As for me, it's been a weird year. It's been a little bit over 1 year since I've lost my last shop, and this whole year I was pretty much working on this new space for me where I can shoot videos and make things. And if not for you, I probably wouldn't be doing this. I really want to thank you all for the support you gave me this year. Receiving your warm messages every time I upload the video, it just makes my day every time, and that's what keeps me doing the videos, I guess. To be honest, I'm not very happy with myself in terms of how productive I was. I think I've made like 13 videos this year. It is something, but I definitely feel like I can do better. It takes me a lot of time to finish the project and make the video, because I can only go to the shop for a couple of hours after work or on Saturday or Sunday. But there was so many times when I just completely slacked and got lazy and just stayed at home. And I'm not very happy about this. And this year I really want to give more to this hobby of mine, because for the most part, I just enjoy it so much. My goal is to make this workshop YouTube thing sustainable, and by that I mean that it would pay for itself. And I'm actually really close right now. I cover like 60% of the rent for the shop with my Patreon and my YouTube revenue, which is kind of cool. And I want to bring it to the level where I can cover the rent and buy some materials for the videos. That would be super cool. And also I want a little bit more connection with you guys, with my audience. For now, I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but I think it will come eventually. So the plans for the shop, yay! Right now, kind of many plans, but I cannot get the supplies because the stores are shut. I mean, we can order stuff online, but I want to see and touch and feel what I'm buying to actually know if it's gonna work for me or not. So I'm just gonna wait on that. But what I really want to get is the wood stove. They say it's gonna be a really cold winter. Right now it's -1 outside, and in the shop it's already freezing. I have a big electric heater, it kind of works alright. But it makes a lot of noise, which is not very good for the video, and it kind of eats a lot of electricity, and I think the wood stove would be so perfect for this place. It's kind of really expensive as well, because I have to get the stove, I have to get the chimney, I have to get the big hole drilled in my concrete ceiling for the chimney to go through. So it's kind of, I don't know, but I think the wood stove would give this place like a nice cozy home feeling, and hopefully it's gonna be warm here. Plus I have to get the permission from the landlord. So yeah, we'll see. Plus I want to build a protection gate for this door to make this space a little bit more secure. I mean, it's kind of secure, we have a security guard on the side, but I'm just gonna feel more safer here when the security system installed and all that. Right now I'm actually working on a nice little product for you guys. I'm trying to develop a cool shop tool pouch that's gonna go on a belt. I think it's gonna be a cool product. And again, to finish it up, I need to get all the stores to open so I can buy all the materials that I need. So yeah, I'm just really glad that you're here, boys. Always thankful for that. I wish you all a happy new year. Stay safe, take care of yourself and your families, and I'll see you in the next video. Hopefully it's not going to be long.